Hi everyone, I'm Jayasudan. I'm studying MBA in Central University of Tamil Nadu. So now I'm going to show you my future business plan, and I have already created a website for it and named it as Pisicart. Yes, from the name itself you can guess what my business is going to be. Obviously marine products. Come, let's discuss what is all about. So now you can see my logo. This is having fish, crabs, prawns, everything in it, and also a delivery symbol. So with the help of this logo itself, you can able to guess what is my business is going to be. And it is a delivery of marine products. So basically we are going to procure directly from the farmers, and we are going to sell it to the retailers directly. So this is how it will works. Pisicart will works. And yeah, so with the help of this zogosites.com, I have created my website. So in the Zogo sites, there are n number of templates are available. You can just search which template is suitable for your business website, and you can simply choose it, and you can simply edit. You can just drag and drop what all the boxes you want, like text boxes, image boxes, whatever the things you want. You can just drag and drop in wherever you want in the website, and you can simply create it. And you can have links also. Now for example, now here I have this button, learn more button. I have already installed a link with this. So if I am now in the home page, if I click this, it will directly go to the about us page. So this is how the buttons will work in the Zoho. So yes, you can see here also in this contact us. Now if I click this contact us, it will go to the contact us page. You can see here. So this is how I have created my website. Now I'm going to show you what's my business all about. So yeah, this is basically, we are going to source fresh marine products from the fisherman, and we are going to sell it directly to the retail businesses across India. So with the help of the supply chain management and the technology we are having, we are going to do this in a very effective manner. And I'm going to tell you what's our role is going to be in the market. This is basically, eliminating the middleman. So by eliminating the middleman, we can able to give profit and revenue. We can able to generate more revenue to the fisherman also, and we can also able to give more profit to the retailer also, and we can also able to get some more profit. This is how it is going to work. Since we are the only one who is connecting these people, we can able to maximize the profit, and we can share it with both fishermen and retailers. This is how it is going to work. So and I'm going to tell you what are all the benefits they are going to have, like more revenue, as I said, and one-stop sale. It means that they need not go to shops and sell their products. They simply give us the whatever the products they have procured from the sea, they can simply give us, and we can sell it for them. And payment also, it is going to be in 24 hours, and transparency in weight. Obviously, if everybody likely to have transparency in weighing, so obviously we are going to have that. And convenience for the retailers. In this side, we are going to give the competitive price, seeing very less price for the retailers, and doorsteps delivery. How this work is, consider if you are having a shop or a restaurant. So if you're going to run your restaurant, means you're going to procure some products from market shop. In the morning you have to wake up, you have to go to the market, and you have to bargain things. You have to bargain with the shop owners, and you have to get like kgs of fishes for your restaurant. So we are eliminating all those things, and you can simply give us an order. We can deliver it to your doorsteps. This is how it is going to be work. And you're going to have a high quality graded products also, and convenient and time saving. So for a consumer, we are going to give hygienically handled products and improved food safety, better quality. These are all the things you're going to have. And now I'm showing you how the process is going to be. Like for a fisherman, we are going to procure from the fisherman, and we are going to collect all the products, what are all the products they have procured. We are going to collect all the products from them, because there are n number of fishermen available. We are going to have it in a collection center. Collection center is basically very big, warehouse where where we can store a lot of things, but we are not going to store these products more than 12 hours. Okay, we will procure and we will directly give it to the business. That's what we are going to do. We are not going to store whatever we have procured from the fisherman. So this collection center is a very big center. So we are going to have for a regions, for example, for a districts we are going to have, and from the districts it is going to be a fulfillment center. And fulfillment center is like for 2 or 3 big areas, fulfillment center will be, they'll have fulfillment center. And distribution center, for each and every area having more than 100 shops, you're going to have a distribution center. So from the distribution center, the products will reach the retailer shop. This is how it works. So basically in distribution center, what we are going to do is we are going to batch, and we are going to check the quality of the product. Quality team will be there. They will check what the quality is going to be, and they'll batch them in the crates according to the orders placed by the retailers. And once the check is done, we'll load it to the Tata Ace, and from that Tata Ace have a capacity to load 2 tons, so we can able to do 2 tons per trip. So from there we are going to distribute it to the retailers. This is how the Pesicart is going to work. And yeah, and I'm going to show you the page contact us, how I have created the contact us. You can see have queries, email, and visit us. These are all the logo, these are all the icons I have taken from this website itself. You can choose. Here you can see the problems and solution I have given. What are the problems faced by the fishermen, and what are the solution we are giving for those fishermen. Everything I have given. Vision, what is the vision of the Pesicart is going to be. Everything I have given. So that's all about my future planning business. Thank you.